traditional rulers who are seated here, all protocol duly and respectfully.
Respected chiefs that have accompanied me here today, and the wonderful people of Soku, you're all welcome. And I want to also appreciate my appointees who are here today to support this noble and witness this noble inauguration. And before I make and give my charges, I wanted to do the inauguration formally to let you know that the local government has recognized you. As a new youth body, I heard everything the chief said, meaning Soku is one of the most peaceful communities of the country. The power invested in me, I humbly inaugurate the newly elected youth body of Soku. Thank you very much. I want to officially let you know that the Council of Akuku-Toru Local Government Area has recognized you legally, officially. You are hereby, with the power invested in me by the special grace of God, you are hereby inaugurated formally as the CDC of Soku. I'm proud of the community for having done this thing peacefully without anyone or all like that. I'm so happy and proud of you. And I think this is the first community election that I have seen like I took over, and I pray that every other one emulates from you people. You've almost said everything I wanted to say. I want to give charge to the youth body that you've inaugurated. I want to give charge to the CDC members who've inaugurated. It's not all about the community. It's about the local government. And you being the chairman of CDC is not chairman for your pocket alone. It's chairman for your community. It's for you to attract whatever that is meant for your community, to make sure that those companies that are there are giving you what is meant for your community. And like I told Shell when I had a meeting with them yesterday, I said it's not only when there is problem, the local government should be involved. There should be some form of transparency, so that way the local government will be able to know the activities that you carry out in the general local government. And Soku is one very important community to the Akuku-Toru Local Government. And I want to stand there to tell you that people have never asked for it. I don't know, from me, since I came on board. By the grace of God, we'll give you your generator. So maybe you write and let us know the KVA done by the grace of God. And I want to also let you know that we're not supposed to be here doing this, but like you all know, our council is being vandalized and undergoing construction. So sorry, we brought you under the heat to do this, but we just have to do the needful so that our sons and daughters will swing to action. And fortunately, the young man you elected is somebody I truly like, and I want to believe that he will listen to me, and he will listen to you, and he will listen to all the mothers here. Like I said, you are called to serve. You serve first before yourself. I know they always use a slogan, workshop, but you have to work before you chop. So my darling son, I do hope that you will not go there and disgrace me. There will be no complaints. You understand? And you know I have another mother in your community. If she calls me and complain, problem. So on this note, I want to say I appreciate you people for coming and seated here waiting for me. It's not in our character, but something happened. And because of him, I had to schedule today. My schedule is tight. It's really tight. As I'm done, I'm running back to Port Harcourt. So Soku, note that the council is behind you. The council is with you. And the council is for you. On this note, I want to welcome you. God bless all of you. God bless you.
We will not disappoint you. We will not disappoint you. We have been in this game since 1999 to today. We have not betrayed anybody. I said it in the open. We usually use our fund to finance political movement from the general angle, using Soku as a point of contact man. Soku Patriotic Front is a social political group, pressure group from Soku community, who present me as the candidate. And today, this is what you are seeing. Man, this political group will stand wherever you stand. We have been working for the men. This is the first time we are working for the woman. And we will do harder to make sure that we deliver whatever that their heart desire is. Thank you.